We're on a photography expedition. Let's take pictures of the animals. What animals can you find? You've taken a picture of a moose. Tap the screen. Take a look at your photo album. You've taken a picture of an Arctic wolf. Take a look at your photo album. You've taken a picture of a reindeer. Take a look at your photo album. You've taken a picture of a snow leopard. Take a look at your photo album. You've taken a picture of a walrus. Tap the screen. Take a look at your photo album. You've taken a picture of a snowy owl. You've taken pictures of all the animals. Let's see them in your photo album. A walrus. A moose. An Arctic wolf. A reindeer. A snow leopard. A snowy owl. Fantastic! You're a great photographer!
Yay!
Match the images to the words. Mole. 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 Hole. 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 Pole. 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 Stone. 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 Cone. 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 Bone. 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 Mole. 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 Lake. 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 Rake. 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 Cake. 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 Bone, bone, bone. Cone, cone, cone. Hole, hole, hole. Stone, stone, stone. Today is a special day. We are going to bake a delicious treat. Add the ingredients. Egg. Add flour. Butter. Milk. Sugar. Mix all the ingredients with the spoon. Choose a baking pan. Put in the cake batter. Put in the cake. Now you can decorate your cake. Chocolate icing. Add your favorite toppings. Sparklers. Umbrella. Add your favorite toppings. Elliot. Sprinkles. Sprinkles. Candies. White chocolate. Chocolate cookie. Nut. We're on a farm. Help Elliot find the vegetables. Move the tractor. Drive the tractor and grab all the vegetables. Corn. Tomatoes. Potatoes. Potatoes. Almost done. Corn. You got all the vegetables. Yay! We're at the park. Help Lisa clean the park and pick up all the garbage. Ride the bike to find the garbage. Ride the bike and clean up all the trash. Cardboard box. Cardboard box. Cardboard box. You almost have them all. Cardboard box. You cleaned up the park. Yay!